Visiting a doctor. This is how a real doctor conversation sounds. Patient. Good morning, doctor. Doctor. Good morning. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I've had a headache since yesterday. Doctor. Do you have a fever? Patient. Yes, a slight fever. Doctor. Okay, let me check your temperature. Patient. Is it serious? Doctor. No, it looks like a mild infection. Patient. Do I need medicine? Doctor. Yes. Take this twice a day for 3 days. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Doctor. You're welcome. Get some rest. Ordering food at a restaurant today. We're practicing how two people naturally talk in a restaurant. Listen to the flow. Customer. Hi. Could I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you go. Customer. Thank you. What do you recommend? Waiter. Our grilled chicken is very popular. Customer. That sounds good. Is it very spicy? Waiter. It's mildly spicy, but we can make it less spicy. Customer. Perfect. I'll have that. And a glass of fresh juice. Waiter. Sure. Anything else? Customer. No, that's all for now. Waiter. Great. I'll bring your order shortly. Going to the bank customer. Good morning. I'd like to open a savings account. Bank officer. Sure. Do you have your ID with you? Customer. Yes, here it is. Bank officer. Thank you. Please fill out this form. Customer. Is there a minimum balance requirement? Bank officer. Yes, you need to maintain 5,000 rupees. Customer. Okay. How long will the process take? Bank officer. Just 2 working days. Customer. Great. Thank you for your help. Bank officer. My pleasure. Asking for directions. Person 1. Excuse me, can you help me? Person 2. Sure, what do you need? Person 1. I'm looking for the nearest metro station. Person 2. Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. Person 1. Is it far from here? Person 2. No, it's about a 5-minute walk. Person 1. Thank you so much. Person 2. You're welcome.